Hello everyone and welcome to Seoul Bite. Today we are making a classic Korean dish called Tteokgalbi, which are delicious grilled short rib patties. This is a very traditional recipe made by seasoning and grilling minced beef ribs. It actually has a very long history, with some saying it originated from a dish specially prepared for the kings in the royal court. For our main ingredients today, I have prepared 1 pound of minced beef and 1 pound of minced pork. The original recipe calls for only minced beef ribs, but I am mixing in 50% pork to make the preparation a bit easier and to give the patties a much softer, more tender texture. For the meat marinade, you will need 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half of a small onion, and 2 stalks of green onion. We're also going to make a special glaze to brush on the outside of the meat right as it finishes cooking. For this glaze, I have prepared 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, or corn syrup works great too, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Let's get started with the prep. First, take the half onion and chop it very finely. Right after that, take your 2 stalks of green onion and chop them very finely too. Then, mix the chopped onion and green onion with our soy sauce, sugar, black pepper, and minced garlic to finish the marinade. Next, lay down some paper towels and press the minced beef firmly to draw out the excess blood. We will do the exact same thing with the minced pork. Just lay it on the paper towels and press down well. Once that is done, add both the prepared beef and pork into the marinade. Now, you need to knead it really well. Just keep mixing and massaging the meat until the seasoning is fully incorporated. After the meat is thoroughly kneaded, it is time to shape our patties for the pan. Take a handful and press it into a wide, flat shape. Make sure to press a slight indentation into the center because the middle of the patty tends to puff up as it cooks. Keep making them in a uniform size. Remember that meat shrinks as it cooks. So keep that in mind and make them a little larger than you want your final portion to be. Now let's quickly mix up our glaze to give the patties a beautiful shine and extra flavor. Just stir together the honey, sesame oil, and soy sauce. Traditionally, tteokgalbi tastes best when cooked over a charcoal grill or a wire rack, but that takes quite a long time. Because of that, pan frying is a fantastic alternative. Heat up your pan nicely and add a little bit of olive oil. Make sure your heat isn't too high. You want to cook these slowly over medium heat. cover the pan with a lid, the meat will cook faster and much more evenly. Give them a flip and remember, absolutely avoid high heat. If you want to cook the meat gently and perfectly all the way through, add just a little splash of water to the pan once they are partially cooked and put the lid back on. Adding this bit of moisture to slowly steam them will prevent the bottoms from burning. You will notice the meat puffing up and becoming round, even though we flattened it earlier. To ensure they are cooked perfectly down to the center, you need to give them plenty of time over gentle heat with the lid closed. But keep a close eye on them so they don't burn. Once the juices run clear and no more blood is coming out, they are just about done. Lower the heat even more and generously brush that sweet glaze all over the surface of the meat. Flip the patties over, brush the other side, and then turn off the heat. And there you have it. Beautiful, glossy 떡갈비. Let's get a nice close-up of that shine. They are incredibly juicy, perfectly glazed, and ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me today at Seoul Bite. I really hope you give this delicious 떡갈비 a try at home. It is absolutely worth the effort. If you do make it, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can keep exploring Korean cuisine together. Have a wonderful day, enjoy your food, and I will see you in the next video.